Now, inserting calendars is as simple as inserting a document or a slideshow or something like that. There's a calendar button down here, and if I click on calendar, I'll see all of the calendars that I have in my Google account. So you usually have one per Google class and different clubs and any other calendars that are even shared with you. So if I scroll down and say grab my personal calendar, like so, I can then hit insert and it drops it in. And like any image or whatever, I can drag this, I can change the size, however big I want it to be. It shows me the name of the calendar and any events, and you can customize what this looks like. So for example, if you hit the little gear, you can change, do you actually want to show or hide the title? Do you want to show or hide the date? Do you want to change the time zone based on where the viewer is rather than where the calendar is based out of? You can also change your general view mode, so perhaps you want it in a month format instead of an agenda format, and there you are. You can also select more than one calendar at a time. So if I hit the calendar button again, this time I'm going to hit the personal calendar, which we know has a workshop on the 19th. Let's see, personal, and I'm going to hit my STEM calendar, which I know that I also created another workshop. So if I insert, I should now see two events, and I do. I see sample workshop and STEM workshop, so those are from the two calendars that I've selected. I only see the title of one calendar though. So even though this is my personal calendar and my STEM calendar, it's only going to show me the title for one of the two calendars or three calendars or however many you selected. What you can do is you can hide the title altogether, and you can always use the text box feature to do your own custom title. So I can say Mr. E's Collaborative Calendars. And I could, of course, change this, and I could even move this guy to be locked on top of my calendars, like so. So I can do my own custom, do like a small heading, whatever I want to do, because I can't necessarily show the title of all my calendars. Alternatively, you can also embed a calendar using an embed code, which might give you some more settings, especially if you're sharing calendars across multiple users. So actually in Google Calendars, if you have a calendar, you can open up the calendar settings like so. And here's a calendar called Reminders. If I scroll down a little bit, obviously I have all these different settings for this specific calendar. I can grab this embed code, if I copy this code, and go back to my Google site. If I hit the embed button, I can actually embed, oops, if I go to embed code, I can embed the calendar like so. And that'll show me my reminders. So a couple different ways. You can either use the calendar button to import more than one calendar, or you can use the embed code, which might be easier if it's not necessarily your calendar or a calendar that's shared across multiple users. Either way, when you drop in a calendar, it's very easy to change the size, formatting, and make it fit on your site as you wish.